In this video, I want to talk about how to reset your TradingView chart. Now there are a few different ways to do this, so let me just quickly open up a chart. Inside of here, if you want to reset the view, simply right click and press Reset Chart View. If you have some weird colors on your candlesticks or stuff like that, what you can do is right click, go into Settings, Template and Apply Defaults and press OK. So that is if all of these are like blue or something. If you select this, it's going to be the normal ones, as well as everything else in here will be the default one. If you have so many indicators, let's just add a bunch. Let's say you have all of these and you want to reset and you want to get rid of these. You can right click and remove indicators, or you can find the name of the indicator out here and press the trash icon. So that is basically how you can do that, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.